akala ko nung una.
Hi everyone, how you going? It's Sheila again and welcome back to my channel. So today is actually 2nd of February and in this vlog I'm gonna show you my January finds. Although tapos na yung January, but still I think I'm just thinking of sharing to you the things that I discovered. It's related to different categories, so hopefully you will like it as much as I do, and hopefully you'll enjoy this video, guys. So first up, okay, so let's go to the category of beauty.
What?
So for those who know me, I don't usually wear makeup. This is my bare face, so what you see is what you get. I usually go to work with this one. So anyway, but if I do put on some makeup, it's usually minimalist, or as much as I can, I do no makeup, if that makes sense. So little tint here and there, but nothing special really. So first up is a moisturizer. I'm really in love with moisturizer, guys. I like the feeling that my skin and especially my face is getting hydrated. So this one I discovered when I was just lining up at Mecca when I bought something. Saw it and then binabasa ko lang siya and I said, okay. So the name of this is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So that's that, if you can see it. I'm gonna zoom it in. But anyway, so I think it's just a generic branding by Mecca. Nothing really special about it, but when I saw it, they said it's perfect for summer kasi pag nilagay mo siya sa face mo, it'll moisturize. So it's good because it's like on a easy squeeze use, and I'm gonna put that one on my face. Let's see if you can see, guys, the difference. But before I was like, and it smells good. It smells like watermelon, really, guys. So ano ba to? Product endorsement din ba to? Anyway, so that's that. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I feel that my skin, especially my face, is really cool because of probably the watermelon and the scent. It's kind of on a neutral scent, but it's not really that strong as well. It smells good, actually. Alright, so it's supposed to give you that glow. I'm not sure if you can see it, guys. So pwede na ba? Pwede na. Oh, yay! I hope I'm pinkish. Right now. So that's the first one for the category of beauty. The second product that I love this in January, that I hope I gotten earlier, is also in the category of beauty. So this is by Rimmel London BB cream. So what I love about this one, it's actually you can use it as a primer. I'm not a pro makeup artist or so. I just watch different YouTube tutorials, and with this one they said that you can use this as a primer. And what I like about this one is it has SPF 15. Actually, the higher the better. That's what I know, and that's what I learned while watching those YouTube channels. So with this one, Rimmel, it's actually my first time trying it. It's on sale, so I took it, and I didn't expect I really would love it. So anyway, let's use it today and see if you can see the difference since I've moisturized my face, guys. Alright, so this is how I apply BB creams and foundation. So napaka messy lang. Actually, I'm just spreading it on my face. Okay, so does that make sense? Sayang! Oh my G, sayang. Okay, lagyan natin sa liig. And especially sa forehead, because usually yung forehead ko talaga yung medyo darker part. And I'm using a blender, beauty blender. Oh my god. Let's see. Sorry if I'm looking down. That's just because this camera is connected to my phone and I forgot to switch screen. So, actually I can still do that while doing this. But anyway, I'll do that next time. Okay, so just blend that one. I hope I'm not like messy as anything. Look, so I'm just spreading it basically all over my face. So this shade of BB cream is actually in the light. I think they have a medium and a darker one. So yeah, it's in the light. And as you can see, medyo fair na yung face ko. I thank you, Lord. Ayan. So if you see me na medyo may glow at saka medyo may fair yung face is because of this BB cream. So I like it, and that's it. I think, yeah, finished look for no makeup or probably just your number one. Gusto ko lang mag-fair yung face ko. So I do use it now when I do in the afternoon because I have time to put this on. Otherwise, in the morning, ligo lang, brush my hair. Alis na. But anyway, I'll do a different vlog for a day or a week in the life of a nurse. So yeah, it's in a different vlog, guys. So yay! Something to look forward to if you're excited to get to know me more. And so that's that for my beauty section, the moisturizer and the BB cream. So hope you like it, guys. Try it yourself. I'm not getting sponsored with this one, so wala pa akong bayad dito. I'm just doing this for enjoyment. And so next up on my 3rd January finds, nag-pop up lang siya sa YouTube, and this is in the category of music. Okay, too much talking, Sheila. Okay, I'm gonna play this, guys, and I hope you like it. If this is familiar to you, then let me know, okay? So hindi ako makapiright for this one. Alright, guys, enjoy.
107.5. Akala ko nung una, akala ko nung una, akala ko nung una. Yeah.
Right, sa mga nakakakilala sa kanila, shout out lang sa Aussie Dogs, especially kay Costa Clee. You're doing a really good job. And to be honest, masegue ko lang, I'm really impressed with the Filipino music nowadays. It's heading to a direction that I really like. And especially sa rap business and sa OPMs, I think we're really doing a good job. So keep it up, guys. Kahit na nasa Australia ako, I'm enjoying new music, and this is my go-to. I'll do more vlogs talking about how I love music. Like, music is my life. So I'll play this one a little bit more so you can enjoy it as well. Okay?
Ang namon ng iyong kasi first nung una kitang makita sa Facebook. Ang iba ba ang iyong pangalan? Para bang hirap mong nawakan? Pero kahit na tinanong ko pa rin ang number mo, kasi baka mamaya gigimik kami, pati ka ba maging partner? Nung nakita tayo parang may iba, hindi mo lang alam na pinagmamasdan kita.
Okay, I will cut it short, but it has a different actually version. Yung original version niya is medyo mabilis na rap, and I like this one because it's acoustic. Probably there's something about it, and you can really understand when it's acoustic. You can understand the lyrics, and you could just see. I don't know if you're like me. Go to YouTube. Open Akala Ko Nung Una, and you'll enjoy it as much as I do. But nung nasa Wish 107.5 bus. So yeah, I hope you guys like that. And on to the 4th one. Okay, so 4th one. So this year I did tell you guys in my post on my IG account. So follow Sheila Love on Instagram, please. And yeah, I've mentioned this a lot of times na this year I really wanted to change more so of my attitude and my my reaction to things. And so dun tayo sa positive note. And this year when I did my goal setting, prior to really finalizing if I'm gonna do a vlog or I'm gonna do a channel, so I've encountered this actually a really nice way of listening to, I think, encouraging words. For those who really like podcasts, this is one of the good things that I've noticed. Let me see if I can exit that one while still recording. I think I did. So this is, what I noticed is, this is actually Podcast 1 Australia. Yep. Let me see. Then I can show you. Medyo malayo. Okay. Anyway. So, that's that. It's actually free. It's actually a free app, Podcast 1 Australia. And I was listening to Career Conversations with Margie Hartley. And she's really actually informative and really encouraging. There's a lot of things here that I find na talagang really good education for me. And I think you guys, if you listen to it, if you listen to podcasts, you would really appreciate it. So, one thing, okay. Ang pinaka-favorite ko dito is the art of influence. Kasi nga, you wanna be influencing a lot of people on a positive note. So, yeah. You can listen to that one and I hope you'll appreciate it. It's very nice. And, saan na ba yun? Eto, how to set and achieve goals. So, yun, I actually got this, like yung format nila on how I did my 2020 goals, how I set my goals towards that direction na sana productive this 2020. So, if you guys like Podcast 1 and if you listen to different podcasts that's free on this app, let me know if you guys like it. And yeah, hopefully makapulutan nyo rin ng aral and you'll listen to it most of the time. I think it's a relaxing way of now, because we're in a busy social media kind of thing. We're always on our screens and we don't even listen anymore. So, yun, napapansin ko lang na people tend to not even read instructions properly, and I do that sometimes. I'm guilty of doing that as well. So what I do now is I listen to this podcast just because I can just close my eyes and listen to it. And so I attentively actually soak the information in and I can apply it to my day-to-day life. So kung hindi man siya day-to-day, at least you can get something out of it. So let me know if you like podcast, and we'll sure to research some more and feature other people as well. Okay, final na. Okay, last one na. Sorry, I'm looking at my sheet. Okay, I have this notes. So this is where I put my contents. Yeah, so that's on a different day na lang, guys, kasi haba to. Okay, so now, actually, for the last category, which is I categorize as good vibes. I get that not everyone likes, I don't know if that's even a category, but for me it does make sense if you want to enjoy your life and you want to smile and laugh a little bit more. And so this is actually recommended by a friend. So pampagood vibes siya talaga, guys. So it's a Korean drama on Netflix. So it's titled Crash Landing on You. Amazing lang ang story niya because this girl, she's actually rich and she is going about her day-to-day rich life. And so she went paragliding, and then there was a natural disaster, a tornado came, and then she was flown away to North Korea. Which is, guys, Ako, ang alam ko, hindi sila magkakasundo. But anyway, so yeah, she was flown to North Korea and she met this guy because this guy is actually one of the, he's a captain. They kissed! Did you see that? Oh my god! Okay. Kinilig sila. Kinilig din ako. And for this is, actually, I'm on season 4. So, a bit of backstory about this Korean drama is that they were recommended, it's recommended by a friend, and actually the whole family is watching it. So shout out to Ate Ron and Kuya Ken for recommending this one. And the kiddos, you guys, I really enjoy it. Kinikilig na ako, and I think it's still ongoing on Netflix. So they're releasing an episode every week. So, yun ang nakakainis pag parang gusto mo continuous yung watching mo. But anyway, I'm enjoying it. So, yeah. Go watch it, guys. Let me know. Comment down below if you're enjoying it as well as much as I do, because as you can hear, kinikilig talaga ako. And yung tao ka, hindi na siya nakakatawa. Nakakainis na. Anyway, so this is more so of my January finds and January picks. So hope you guys like it. Check it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you like it as well, and if you want me to do more of this kind of vlog, yeah, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell, because the plan is to really put in a new content every week. So hopefully makip up namin, guys, because we're also busy working. And yeah, so that's it for you guys. I hope you have a good one. Enjoy your time with your family. Love lots and be kind. Stay humble, everybody.